Okay, so this brings us to number 9. If a gas has a volume of this, so this is my V1, T1, P1, what will be the new temperature? So new temperature is T2, what I'm looking for, if it's changed to this volume, and the new pressure is now standard pressure. Okay, so I've got temperature and volume changing, so on my little card, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using combined gas law. So P1 is 111 kPa, V1 5236 liters, T1 5 degrees Celsius plus 273, 278. Okay, so P2, standard pressure, so I'm going to wait a second on that. V2 is 693. T2 is what I'm looking for. Okay, so now P2 is standard pressure. So again, I want to match the standard pressure, and I wrote these guys down on my card. The standard pressure is here, that whatever I have in P1, it's matching. So it's kPa again. So that's everything in my combined gas law. So when I do my combined gas law, P1 times V1 over 278 Kelvin, P2 times V2, a little bit different. We're not solving for volume on this one. We're solving for T2, okay? So when I cross multiply, I usually cross multiply the one without the variable first, so I can just do it all in one step. But if you're writing down the steps, it doesn't really matter. But I'm going to do this one first anyways. So 278 times 101.325 times 693. And then that comes out to be 1952066.55 equals, and then the other one is the other side has got my variable in it, 111 times 5236, 581196 T2, and to get T2 by itself, I'm dividing both sides by this. No decimal. Okay, so what I do in my calculator is, oopsie, I'm at the edge of a table, is I do this all at once. So I'm going to show you this one more time. So what I'm going to do is I go 278 times 101.325. That's my first crossover here. Times the 693. And then I hit equals. So I should have the same thing as what I wrote down here. And then I'm going to start to divide it by these other two things that are going to be with the variable. So I go divided by 111, and I hit equals just to make sure it does it. And then I'm going to divide by 5236, and then hit equals. I don't like to use fractions. So it should, or not fractions, parentheses. I don't like fractions either, but I don't want to use parentheses, so I do it individually each time like that. So my answer comes out to be 33.6 if I have 3 sig figs. Let's see, 3, 3, 4, 6, 3. So 3 sig figs equals 33.6. And whatever my temperature unit is here, that's Kelvin. Kelvin is going to be my temperature unit of my answer. Kelvin. And that one was combined.